Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.
The Indian pharma industry, currently worth 40 billion US dollars, has exhibited huge potential and is expected to grow at a compounded annual growth rate of 15%. India supplies over 50% of the global demand for various vaccines, 40% of the generic demand in the US, and 25% of all medicines in the UK. Informa Markets in India, formerly UBM India, the country's leading organizer of exhibitions, hosted the 13th edition of South Asia's biggest pharma event, the CPHI and TMEC India Expo, at the India Expo Centre in Greater Noida. The India Pharma Awards, or IPA, an Informa Markets initiative, is a coveted recognition for stakeholders from the Indian pharmaceutical sector. Informa Markets' signature event featured industry leaders from across the globe, with roughly 1,600 exhibitors from 44 countries. The exhibition brought forth the latest developments in the pharmaceutical space across the globe. Along with the exhibition, the event featured 3 key initiatives. The opening pre-connect event focused on the current trends of Indian pharmaceutical companies. The discussions covered a wide range of topics from Pharma 4.0 to the shifting focus on complex formulations and portfolio diversification of generics. The CEO Roundtable, a gathering of industry stalwarts, deliberated on issues plaguing the industry and presented pertinent solutions. The key points of discussion were exploring China and Japan as new markets and the impact of Ayushman Bharat. The Indian Pharma Week 2019 also celebrated the significant contribution of women in the Indian pharma industry. Inspirational women leaders from the pharma industry shared their experiences at the event. And over 90 women delegates converged to lay the foundation of gender equality in the global pharma industry.
It was an amazing roundtable with great insight from participants. We discussed about different challenges, including supply chain, cost management, expansion to China and new countries. And actually, the maturity of the industry is growing through this table, and some of the challenges were really key for the future of the India's pharma industry.
This is the 5th year for the CEO Roundtable, which is, I guess, a very, very innovative idea where you get all the leaders of the industry come in one room, closed door, and discuss things which will precipitate the future growth for this industry.
I don't think there is any forum which comes as anywhere close to this forum in terms of the value it adds to any stakeholder, in my opinion. And I think the structure is also very good. The pre-connect congress that was planned yesterday also, in my opinion, is a very good idea. It brings a lot of opportunity for various stakeholders to learn. It's a very cross-learning platform. The CXO conclave is a brilliant idea, I think. It brings stakeholders together like no other platform does.
The quality of discussion, the moderation, and everything else associated with it was marvelous, absolutely marvelous. And this is an event which is very creative and brings in all stakeholders on the table and different views converging to the same point, which is India equity in pharmaceuticals. These are global views, but expressed in a very local manner.
The whole package of works which is going on here in India Pharma Week is remarkable. We are a great industry, everybody knows about it. Every 5th human being in the world is consuming India medicine. And if we consider that it's not important only for India, we are important for the globe.
As we all know, we are here for the India Pharma Awards, which is synonymous with success. Its highly applauded, process-driven approach has ensured the stature of highest honor when it comes to recognition in the pharma industry. Before we proceed with the awards, I would like to invite the man who heads Informa Markets in India. Huge round of applause. Please welcome Mr. Yogesh Mudras, Managing Director, Informa Markets India, for the opening address.
India Pharma Awards doesn't just celebrate the achievements of the pharma industry and its stalwarts, it also promotes a certain culture. A culture built on integrity, smart thinking, innovation, and commitment to a larger industry cause of providing high-quality, low-cost solutions to a developing market like ours. It is through our awards that we at Informa Markets in India seek to provide a positive reinforcement of this culture that inspires our other platforms and other congregations. Spurred by this legacy of innovation and achievement, it is extremely gratifying for us to see the number of nominations. In fact, they have been rising year on year, and this again is a record of nominations that we have received. We have received 320 nominations for this year for this Pharma Awards. Wish you all a very pleasant evening, and wish all the very best for all the nominees, and profuse congratulations in advance to the winners. So thank you and enjoy this evening.
Let's now invite on stage Mr. Michael Duck, Executive Vice President, Informal Markets in Asia.
Within the realms of India Pharma Week, the India Pharma Awards, IPA, and networking evening stands out as one of the most prestigious events under the recognition and networking stream to shine a spotlight on the outstanding talent of the pharma domain. When the India Pharma Awards were introduced, our express goal, just like the mission of our Pharma Awards worldwide, was to congregate professionals from all parts of the pharma supply chain to celebrate achievements, stimulate research, and develop the industry by recognizing both corporate and individual achievements, and the level of excellence and innovation you strive to constantly attain. The India Pharma Awards also brings under the spotlight promising new entrants and upcoming talents of the industry that bodes well for all our tomorrows. Thank you very much indeed.
Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, please welcome on stage Dr. Arun Chandravarkar.
I mean, we are all aware of the increased competitive intensity in the US that has forced many Indian and global generics players to consolidate and look at ex-US commercial opportunities. We are all aware of that. We talk of customer consolidation. A few years ago, we used to talk of the price erosion. We used to talk about the multiple approvals on day one launches. Whilst clearly today, the focus is on democratizing healthcare, of trying to reach the common people, trying to reach the poorest of the poor, trying to reach the rural areas, trying to expand universal healthcare. So whilst the focus today is on expanding reach, it has immense possibilities to spur innovation in India. Thank you.
And now I would request the esteemed jury members to please come on stage. Vitamin D deficiency, I'm just going to read it out, is a global phenomenon that is affecting more than 1 billion people worldwide. In spite of being a tropical country, 80-90% of Indians' population suffer from low levels of vitamin D. Vitamin D Guru is building a health-conscious community and equipping them with the right knowledge. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a small video about the Vitamin D Guru. Ladies and gentlemen, Vitamin D Guru is a public awareness initiative by Pharma Biotech. And now, tonight, as we know, we are acknowledging the best in the pharma industry and honoring them. The first category is Excellence in Ancillary Pharma Services. And to give away the first award this evening, once again, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Michael Duck to please come up on stage.
And the winner is Tata Consultancy Services.
The next award is for the category Excellence in Pharmaceutical Brand Management Consistent Performance.
And the winner is Cipla Limited for Accord.
And And next, we have the award for the category of Excellence in Pharmaceutical Brand Management New Product. And the award goes to?
And the winner is Alnish Life Sciences Limited, Comley Pro.
And now it's time to announce the award for the category Excellence in Pharmaceutical Machinery Instrument. And to present this award, I request Dr. Sunil Bambarkar, Managing Director, Gatfos India Private Limited, to please join me on stage.
The winner is Acupac Engineering Private Limited.
It's time to announce the award for the category Excellence in Contract Research and Manufacturing.
And the winner is Syngene International Limited.
It's now time to announce the award for the category Excellence in Corporate Social Responsibility, companies with turnover more than 500 crores. And to give away this award, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Ashok Bhattacharya, Executive Director, Takeda Pharmaceuticals. So why don't you announce the winner, sir?
And the winner is Lupin Foundation.
And now it's time to announce the award for the category Excellence in Corporate Social Responsibility, companies with turnover less than 500 crores.
And the winner is Awake Soul Pharmaceutical Private Limited.
India Pharma Week and India Pharma Awards are the most prestigious awards in the industry and in our sector. And to be winner in CSR category, we as a Lupin Foundation, it's quite an achievement for us, and it will encourage us to do more.
India Pharma Awards, we are absolutely excited, and it's an honor for us because this is an award which everyone looks after for, and we had really been working hard to make the machines absolutely excellent, and this is really a recognition to all the hard work.
Let's move on to the next category, which is Excellence in Export Promotion. And to present this award, I would like to call on stage Dr. Dinesh Dua, Chairman, Pharmexcel, please, to come up stage. Thank you, sir.
The award goes to Globella Pharma Private Limited.
Category is Excellence in Marketing, Prescription RX Drugs.
And the award goes to Abbott India Limited, Pink versus Spain. Here you go.
Moving on to present the award under the category Excellence in Patient Outreach, less than 500 crore companies. And to present this award, I would like to call on stage Mr. Yugal Sikri, Managing Director, RPG Life Sciences, to please come up with this award.
The winner is Sahajanand Medical Technologies, SMT.
Next up is the category for Excellence in Patient Outreach, more than 500 crore companies.
And the winner is Cipla.
Now let's move ahead once again with the next category of awards, which is the Excellence in Pharma Digital Innovation. And to present this award, may I please request Mr. Adam Anderson, Group Director of Pharma Portfolio for Informa Markets, and also Mr. Umesh Sate from Siemens to please join us on stage, sir.
And the winner is?
Johnson & Johnson Private Limited for Skin Diaries.
The next category is Excellence in R&D Cost Function Improvement.
And the winner is Ideal Cures Private Limited, Instacoats.
The next category is Excellence in R&D Development of New Product Technology. And may I please request Mr. Subodh Priyolkar, CEO, Wincoat Colors and Coatings Private Limited, to please present this award speech. And sir, the winner is?
The winner is Sun Pharma.
The next category is Operational Excellence Manufacturing.
And the winner is Lupin Limited.
The next category is Operational Excellence Supply Chain. And please can I request Mr. S.M. Mudda, Managing Director, Misson Labs, to present this next award, please. And sir, can you please announce the winner?
And the winner is Johnson & Johnson Private Limited.
Next category is Excellence in Make in India Enabling.
And the winner is Sahajanand Medical Technologies.
We have a special recognition, and for that, I would like to invite Rahul Deshpande, Group Director, Informa Markets in India, to please come and take my job away and do the rest of it. Come on, Rahul, come fast.
Now it's time for a special recognition by Informa Markets in India, and I would request our Managing Director, Mr. Yogesh Mudras, and Mr. Michael Duck to join us on stage. This award, a special recognition by Informa Markets, is for emerging markets in diabetes. And this award goes to Aja Duo.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, now for the last two categories for the evening, and it's a jury-based recognition. And the first recognition is the Lifetime Achievement Award. And already Yogesh and Michael are here. Why don't you please announce the recognition of the Lifetime Achievement Award?
Lifetime Achievement Award. It gives us very, very great pleasure to award this to
No other than Mr. Pankaj Patel.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you on behalf of Mr. Pankaj Patel.
And now to the final recognition under the category of the Company of the Year.
The Company of the Year goes to
none other than Biocon.
sum up this wonderful evening, can I once again request my friend Rahul to come and give the vote of thanks?
Well, this wonderful awards, we conclude on a high note with awarding Mr. Pankaj Patel, who is a doyen of the pharma industry. And of course, thank you, Mr. Chandavarkar, for accepting the awards from Biocon. Ladies and gentlemen, a hearty congratulations to all the award winners tonight. On behalf of Informa Markets and our team over here, I would like to thank each and everyone for you for being part of this awards.
Can I also request all the jury members and the winners to come up on stage for a group photograph, please?
Absolutely amazing, okay? One thing I like about this award is the total professional approach which they take and the integrity and honesty and confidentiality about award.
जो आज मुझे अवार्ड मिला इंडिया फार्मा की इंडस्ट्रीज़ में, ये मुझे इसको लेकर बड़ी खुशी हुई और ये डायरेक्ट मैसेज जाएगा उन डिफरेंटली एबल पीपल को जो अपने आप को कमरे में बंद करके सोचते हैं कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, वो सब चीज़ कर सकते हैं। एक मैं डिफरेंटेबल होकर जब मैंने आज ये हमारी कंपनी ने हमारी टीम ने ये अवार्ड जीता है तो वो क्यों नहीं जीत सकते।
This kind of event on annual basis is very much required. It is a lifeline for the industry, and in this event, recognition of the player who are contributing seriously is a great motivation.
Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.